This is my next game, Slot Forger. It is almost completed, so this week I spent it adding sound effects. Still need to add a few more, but most of the sounds have been added. Music also, but I'm still working on that. Finished pretty much all the game functionality. There are still about 5 to 6 things still pending, and do more testing and balancing. I was able to get to level 7 while playing it in normal, but since I have upgraded everything to the max, it was super easy to get there. So I need to reset all my progress and start again from the beginning to ensure the progression is working as intended, and adjust enemies' attacks and health. So I think in about 1 to 2 weeks the game will be completed. There is still art that I need to finish, like the end game. But this week I found a few things that are quite interesting. Things that I didn't see before in previous games. Let me explain. The bonus effects of a sticker applied to a symbol has different effects, so I name it differently with a different effect IDs. Then I have borders to symbols, which also have different effects. Finally, each symbol also have different effects, so I have 3 different groups of effects. On top of that, enemies can attack you and generate different effects too. You see the pattern. Every single group of effects, attacks or bonuses are actually the same, but I ended up creating different classes holding each effect, and this created a lot of troubles later. I didn't notice this until it was almost finished. When doing testing, I found that adding text to describe each of the effects applied to the player was growing and growing, making it very difficult to see. All of that on the right side, but all effects are actually very similar. Each one has different behavior, but the structure of each one is the same. So I wasted a lot of time and effort dividing everything into groups, just to find out that all are the same at the end. And when I wanted to display them as icons instead of text like I'm doing now, I had to write a way to connect each one through different mapping to display each effect. If I had consolidated everything from the beginning, I would have saved a lot of time. So in future games I will write just one single class to hold all this information in the same format. Getting poison, burn, holy and many other different damage types is much more simple to process in one place instead of multiple places. But not only this, so many effects are pretty similar in code that all of this should just be one thing. I do not want to rewrite the whole code again for this, since it is working. So this is a lesson learned. One of the few things that I identify in the beginning is the way the icons are handled, and all use the same logic, and that's how I was able to save a lot of time on the animation and handling of different icons, stickers, symbols and much more. If everything goes according to plan, I should have almost a finished game next week, since it is very playable now. And that's it for this week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.